Hello, welcome to Hypermotive. This is a pretty special little R32 we've just taken into stock. It's finished in Black Magic Pearl Effect. It's a really nice colour with a very slight purple tinge to it in the sun. This model has many upgrades, including a catback Milltek exhaust. It's also been H&R lowering springs, anti-roll bars. It's had a forged induction kit. It's been stage 2 tuned. Some really nice factory options on this one as well. Has the full black leather sport seats. These ones are heated. It also has the electric sunroof. Full service history. It's only an 81,000 miles. It's had a few more tasteful upgrades, including the rear lights have been smoked. It's got carbon fibre wing mirrors and the black badges and black front grille. This one has the automatic headlights, the Xenons. If you have any other questions, or you want to arrange a viewing or test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. Hope you enjoyed watching. Speak to you soon.